What up, young thug? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Back in the day, if you wanted to get some chips in your pocket, you needed the popular mechanics. I'm trying out Jive. Let's catch you on the flip side. Shave your wiener in the winter for the whammons, and maybe she'll make you some supper. Oh my goodness. I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. They look so proper. There is not. Just wait until the company goes home. Then the domestic abuse comes out, right? And there's something very American about this picture. I just have to hang over here for a moment. Soldering gun, STP oil. There's nothing more American than STP oil in the garage. Maybe a can of Coke. Or alcoholism. Windshield washer antifreeze solution? Usually we just get new squishy wishy instead. What the frick? Microdial, interesting. They are getting the cartoon isms in here. ICS, I've taken courses from them. The accident investigators always look a little too happy, like he just murdered her wife and you know what I mean, and they got away with the money. Yeah. Kids these days will never know how easy it is to get into your car and get it turned on as it compared to it was in the 80s. I remember mom coming back in because she flooded the car all the time. And sometimes she had to go get antifreeze at one of the closest gas stations. The real power tool. Get a phone in your garage. Make sure you rent it. Make sure you rent the cable every month. We'd be fine with that. From your friends at AT&T and Bell Systems. We're not just looking for more money. No, not at all. Consumer, buy. I will never get sick of them trying to use ladies to sell me things, like guitar lessons. You're in your underwear. What the hell? Get a bikini. Check it out, an electrical kit. So you know how in old science kits you get like radioactive stuff, really crazy things? I wonder if in these electrical kits you'd be able to get like an EMP or something like that. Y'all can become experts in the American Army and do things like use the same picture on 2 pages. Shave your wiener in the winter for the whammons. What to tell your wife when you buy her son at 22? Isn't that your son too? Well, even if it isn't, I can't show the picture or I'll get demonetized. That looks like the most fun color design on a Jeep I've seen since the Jurassic Park one. Holy snotballs, will you look at that? I'm amazed that Disney let them away with this. Also, that's a very lovely advertisement for 7-Up, isn't it? The more 7-Up, the merrier. Oh, this was designed by Disney. Man, that's interesting. Disney not even trying to sell their own stuff. Man, this comes from a different universe altogether. Disney would never let somebody else do this these days. I'm sure they'd rather sell it themselves, right? Oh, the heck with it. This is true Christmas spirit. This is wonderful. This is lovely. I'm so glad that they did this. And just think of how many people's Christmases were made nicer because of this. Someone took time to put in that Christmas spirit. Oh, I love it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. But Merry Christmas. Okay, some retrofuturism here of an idea, interesting idea where people just jump out of the plane or a spaceship and be encased in this thingy, whoosh, and they go down and hopefully don't die. Trying a Chinese fire drill here or something. Man, I love the ideas they come up with. Yeah, it'll work like this. This is the way everything will work. It'll all work like this. This is the plan, guys. This snow be laying down some really sick beats. That's interesting. It's some kind of a fascinating detector of some sort. Huh. That looks like a lot of fun and also a good way to pass out quickly. Wow. Well, that's it from me, folks. Interesting colors. Have a good one. Take care of each other, will you?